They're mad about something. I'm not sure what exactly. They're fighting. Most of the geese that come over here, normally enjoy the feed, the healthy duck feed. Normally. Where's my lighter? There it is. Need that. Gotta have that. Snot rockets because I'm allergic of this state. Now, I never had allergies until I came here. I'm sure you've heard that before if you're slow. I never had allergies until I came to Georgia, basically. It's quiet, which is good for me. Alright, well, they have their healthy duck feed, as usual. Lovely stone bench. Don't really feel the need to, Mr. Broken Wing Duck and friends are sleeping. I did left food for you, if you want it. Looks like they're taking a nap, so I will not bother them over there. I won't bother them at all, quite frankly. I've been feeling kind of sluggish today. So, I don't know. I always have trouble sleeping at night, honestly. All the time. Have you ever had nightmares in dreams that are absolutely vivid, but you can actually feel the pain that you're going through in the nightmare? I hate those. Those are the worst. Some of them are good. Like just oddly shaped, like trees and rivers going up and down the greenest of green gardens or whatever. But let's see. But dreams where you're getting eaten alive by a creature and you can actually feel the pain, but you can't fucking wake up and see the blood and everything. Oh, what am I looking at? That's what I'm looking at. An ant. Anyways, yeah. I did wake up kind of late this morning. So, but it's clear, sunny. Clear and sunny. Quiet, peaceful. I'm enjoying myself, being told nothing by anybody. I am severely severely depressed, if you have to realize. There's nothing nice to look at here. Just big backs and gorillas. That's it. Not impressed. With no muscle memory whatsoever. Just no pleasure whatsoever. Zero. Doesn't exist for eternity. Because they don't like eating vegetables. I don't know, that's some psychopathic shit. Duh. Choosing to be disabled is a whole nother thing. People who choose to be disabled, not because they're born without legs or arms or amputated. No, they choose to be. Move out the way. Out the way here. Sunny. There goes those lovely lines again. The ducklings are not in their usual spot. I don't know where they are. They're either there, I can't even see. They're either there or over here. That's a turtle. Absolutely. And we have, what else? Mostly quiet. Yes. Same as usual. Same as usual. I can see if they are going to enjoy the healthy duck feed. Or not. Of course the geese are. Of fucking course. Well, Mr. Broken Wing Duck is sleeping with his buddies. Just because the geese look the same does not mean they get along. Isn't that right? Just because you guys look the exact same, you guys keep trying to fucking kill each other. And they look the exact fucking same. Same applies to humans. Alright, of course. Like I thought. They're going to eat the healthy duck feed as they normally do. There's one of the ducks. Swaddling.